Welcome to KK Auto, the channel where we explore classic cars, modern machines, and everything interesting from the automotive world. Today we are going back in time to look at a unique and memorable vehicle from Eastern Europe, the 1980 Wartburg 353. This car represents an important part of automotive history, especially in countries that were once part of the Eastern Bloc. Known for its simple engineering, durability, and distinctive two-stroke engine sound, the Wartburg 353 became one of the most recognizable cars produced in East Germany during the late 20th century. The Wartburg 353 was produced by the state-owned manufacturer VEB Automobilwerk Eisenach and was introduced in the mid-1960s, continuing production for several decades with only minor updates. By 1980, the car had already become a common sight on the roads of East Germany and many neighboring countries. Its design reflected the practical and functional approach typical of cars produced in socialist economies where reliability and ease of repair were often more important than luxury or modern styling. The exterior design of the 1980 Wartburg 353 was simple and boxy, yet it had a distinctive character that made it easily recognizable. The front of the car featured round headlights and a straightforward grille design, while the overall body shape was spacious and practical. The long roofline and large windows provided good visibility for the driver and passengers. The body was built with durability in mind and was designed to handle rough roads that were common in many parts of Eastern Europe at the time. One of the most interesting aspects of the Wartburg 353 was its engine. The car used a 1.0-liter three-cylinder two-stroke engine that produced around 50 horsepower. While this may seem small by modern standards, the lightweight construction of the car allowed it to deliver reasonable performance for everyday driving. The two-stroke engine produced a very distinctive sound and required a mixture of oil and fuel, which was a common practice in two-stroke engines of that era. The engine was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that sent power to the front wheels. Front-wheel drive was actually quite advanced for its time and helped improve traction, especially in snowy or slippery conditions. The car could reach a top speed of approximately 130 kilometers per hour, which was adequate for highway travel during that period. Another important feature of the Wartburg 353 was its spacious interior. Despite being a relatively compact car, it offered a surprisingly roomy cabin with comfortable seating for 5 passengers. The dashboard layout was simple and easy to understand, with large analog gauges and basic controls. While the car did not include luxury features such as air conditioning or advanced electronics, it provided everything drivers needed for practical transportation. The trunk space was also quite generous for a car of its size. This made the Wartburg 353 popular among families who needed a reliable vehicle for everyday use and travel. Many versions of the car were also used by government organizations, taxi services, and other public sector operations. In terms of suspension and driving comfort, the Wartburg 353 used an independent front suspension, combined with a rear leaf spring setup. This configuration allowed the car to handle uneven roads relatively well. The steering was simple but effective, and the braking system included drum brakes on all 4 wheels. Maintenance was another strong point of the Wartburg 353. Because of its simple mechanical design, the car could often be repaired with basic tools. Spare parts were widely available within the Eastern Bloc, and many owners were able to perform their own repairs. This practicality made the vehicle very popular among drivers who needed a dependable and affordable car. Over time, the Wartburg 353 became more than just a vehicle. It became a symbol of everyday life in East Germany and other socialist countries. Even today, many enthusiasts and collectors appreciate the car for its historical value and unique engineering. Classic car events and museums often display restored Wartburg models as reminders of a different era in automotive history. Looking back at the 1980 Wartburg 353, it may not have the advanced technology or luxury features found in modern vehicles, but it represents a fascinating chapter in automotive development. Its simplicity, durability, and unique two-stroke engine make it a memorable car that still attracts attention from classic car fans around the world. If you enjoyed learning about this classic vehicle and want to see more car reviews, automotive history, and interesting vehicles from different eras, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay connected with KK Auto.